What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be going over color correction versus color grading.
You don't really give a fuck about when these niggas in the club thugged out. Everybody in this fucking club got gats. All my niggas in this fucking club got racks. Everybody in this fucking club getting shot. Kamehameha, still run up on your yacht.
Okay, so first and foremost, color correction is the process of color balancing an image and matching shots to shots. Color grading is adding color for stylistic effect to an image. Now let me give you some examples. If you see how I color graded the Ursa Mini low light test video, then you'll notice that I color balanced the image first before I color graded the image. Essentially, what's important is you need to color balance and color correct an image before you color grade it. And this is important because if you add like presets or LUTs before you color correct an image, it might look off and you don't understand why it is. Okay, so let me show you exactly why it's important. So here we have this this image, this video, right? Now I'm gonna apply a preset / a LUT on it straight away. And let me show you what it's gonna look like. So if I apply it, it looks like that and it looks horrible. Most people apply presets and LUTs straight away on footage and photos and it doesn't come out right and they wonder why that is. Essentially it's because you haven't color balanced an image. So right now I've color graded the image but it doesn't make sense, it doesn't look right. So right now I'm gonna disable this LUT real quick. I'm gonna go to this first node and I'm gonna quickly color balance the image. I'm gonna show you how much of a difference it actually makes. Okay, so now the image is color balanced and on the day this is kind of like what it looked like. So before color balancing, after color balancing, now I'm going to add the same preset / LUT that we used from before, and then you can see exactly how much of a big difference it makes. That looks a lot more natural than it did before. Before it looked like this, which was crazy. So it's important to color balance an image before you color grade an image. So color correction goes before, color grading goes after. And then from here, if I wanted to, I can literally adjust my exposure a little bit, make it look slightly better, bring down the saturation a tad, cool down the midtones a little bit, and then voila. And again, if I take off the color correction from the beginning, that's what it looked like. Now, you don't have to color balance every single time. If you in the beginning, then you'll be able to literally just start color grading immediately. So here we have this shot of Ashay. Let me find a nice frame. Okay, so essentially if I wanted, I wouldn't recommend it, but if I wanted to like immediately just put up like a preset on it, it really looks pretty good. But I'm going to quickly color grade this, and then I'm going to quickly speed this up, color grade it, and then show you the final result. Okay guys, so this is an extreme example. Anyway guys, if you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. I hope this gives you a better understanding of color correction versus color grading and how it can be used and how you should use it. If you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.